palette and the whole collection. It's really, really pretty, and at first when I saw it, I didn't think I would like it, but I really like it. I gotta tell you guys too, something about this. I feel like they changed formulas because I normally hate e.l.f. Shadows and stuff because they just don't blend. They have no pigment. This pigment is insane. Like, it actually goes on really, really good, and it blends really good. So I'm really, really shocked because, like I said, usually it don't do it for me. So I just did the transition there. I'm going to take this deep red, and I'm going to use a more of a pencil brush that's a little bit more precise, and I'm going to start doing a outer V to elongate my eyes. I feel like I always do this technique because I have really tiny eyes actually, and it just gives you more of a lifted look, I think. And I'm just going to start working that into my crease, but I'm not going to use a lot of it. And honestly, after you dip your brush into these shadows, you kind of want to tap off the excess because they're very, very pigmented. Then I'm going to take this white color in the palette. Now I was a little disappointed with this white because I feel like it didn't go on like the other colors did. Like, it didn't have such a strong payoff. Like, I really had to keep dipping in. Then I'm going to take the mustardy yellow color. I actually really, really like this color. I didn't think I was going to, and I just wanted to tone down that like deep burgundy reddish color. So that's why I kind of put that over top. And I'm going to take their blush palette, and I'm going to use that orange, and the orange looks like really obnoxious, I think, in the pan, but it looks really, really good on the skin. It kind of gives you that sun-kissed look a little bit, so I kind of put it like all over my face. I feel like it just brings my face to life, and it really just looks like you've been outside or something without looking like, you know, beach bronze, if that makes any sense at all. So I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray by e.l.f. as well, and then I'm going to dip into the highlight. The highlight didn't do it for me. It literally just didn't go on my face. Like, I wasn't highlighted at all, so that kind of sucked, but I really like the blush. Then I'm going to take the orangey shade. They didn't have any names on them, and this is a matte, and it's really, really pretty. I kind of went a little slow with it because I didn't know how pigmented it was going to be. It's actually a really comfortable wear. After wearing it for a little bit, it did ball up just slightly, but I mean, you kind of get what you pay for. e.l.f. is very like priced well, so this is a really pretty shade. I love the lip gloss. I think the lip gloss was my absolute favorite. It looks gold, but it almost has hints of like the orangey color that's on my eyes and on my lips, and it was just really, really pretty, and I'm happy about it. I like this look. It's very fall and comfy and cozy. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love doing reviews, and don't forget to hit the like button. Of course, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon.